Today, I'm going to teach you how to change language targeting in Google Ads. This is a crucial setting if you're looking to reach audiences who speak specific languages, ensuring your ads are shown to the right people based on their language preferences. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu, look for the option labeled Campaigns, and click on it. This will take you into the core area where all your campaign management happens. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, you'll see a drop-down labeled Campaigns again. Go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of all the campaigns you currently have running in your account. Take a moment to scan through this list and locate the specific campaign for which you want to change the language targeting. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the campaign name. As you do this, you'll notice a small gear icon appear. This gear icon is your gateway to the campaign settings. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a right side panel menu will slide into view. This panel contains various settings and configurations for your selected campaign. From the options displayed in this panel, locate and click on Languages. This will expand the Languages section, revealing the current language targeting settings for your campaign. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter or modify your desired ad language. Click on this field and a selection menu will appear, displaying a list of available languages that you can target. Scroll through the listed languages and find the one that aligns with your target audience. Once you've identified the appropriate language, click on the checkbox next to it to select it. If you need to add multiple languages, simply repeat this process for each one. You can select as many languages as necessary to ensure your ads reach the right audience segments. After you've made all your selections, look for the Save button at the bottom of the panel and click it. This confirms your changes and updates the language targeting for your campaign. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language targeting in your Google Ads campaign, allowing you to better connect with audiences based on their language preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.